Assalam Alaikum. My name is Muhammad Furqan Aziz, and in today's topic we will discuss how to use Autodesk Revit 2020 version and the basics and the initial settings of Autodesk Revit when you open a file. So basically, when you click on icon of Revit 2020, then this will be the initial display, and that will be given by you in your system. So first of all, I will give you details about this. This one is the models tab, in which you can open a Revit model that has already been executed or made in your system. And this one is the opening of a new model. And families, this one is used for opening a Revit family, and this one is used for opening a new Revit family. And these are some of the sample projects that are given in your Revit by your system, and these are some of the display of families that we will be using in our next sessions. So without further ado, I would start my new model. By clicking new model, it will give you this display. First one is the template file, and you when click on arrow, it will give you these following templates. First one is construction template, second is architectural, third is structural, and final one is mechanical. So we will go with architectural template and create new, and we are creating a new project. That's why we are clicking on project, and then you just have to simply click it OK, and it will take several seconds, and then it will open this file in front of you. So I will give you details about all these settings and all those user interface initials that when you open a file that Revit will give you. First one is the file menu. When you open a file menu, these are following settings that will be given by you. This one new is used for opening a new project, for opening a new family, for opening a new conceptual mask, or for opening a new title block, and for an annotation symbol. Second one is open. This is used for opening opening the file that had already been made or done by you or yourself or your buddies or your office. So this one is the opening an existing Revit project, opening an existing Revit family, and opening a Revit file type and building component. And this one is IFC file, and this one is IFC options. Third one is save. This is simple. And fourth one is save as, and you can save it your file in cloud mode, project mode, template mode, in library mode. And fifth one is export. You can export your Revit file in different formats. First one is the CAD format, DWG format, DXF format, DGN, and ACIS format. Second one is DWF or DWFX. Third one is IFC. Fourth one is ODBC database, and images and animations. This will be used for your renderings or your animation that you will do in your project. And reports are used for schedules of rooms and areas. And this is options menu. And final one is print, and this one is a print preview, print setup, and print manager. And finally it's a close. And we will and I will directly after it I will directly go to our architectural template, architectural icon. And when you open a file, it will be automatically given by you. First one is modify tab, second one is wall. For its shortcut is WA. And you can make architectural wall, you can make structural wall, or you can make wall by face. Second one is window. When you click a window, it will give you this thing. It will give ask you about you want to make a single flush windows. It will give you details about the families that you want it to be used, but we don't want to use these families.